Hospitals like North Memorial Health have been on the front lines of fighting COVID-19. In this week's Newsmakers, we talk about one way the hospital has worked to mitigate the spread of COVID-19 in their facilities.
We have been approaching and hovering around capacity now for almost a couple of months. It's important to understand that we're taking great care of the customers that need us, both in our clinics and our hospitals. But anything that we can do to help reduce injury and reduce the spread of COVID will help us out while we're at high capacity.
And one thing that you guys have developed is called the SAFER approach. Can you lean into that a little bit? Tell us what it is.
So the SAFER campaign and the approach that we built early in the pandemic was a way to help us kind of cut through all of the noise. Remember back early in the pandemic where we were getting all sorts of information from lots of sources about what we should or shouldn't do to reduce the risk of COVID spread. And so our SAFER campaign is clear, it's to the point, it's approachable, and very much aligned with our Health Family campaign. And it allowed people who are either coming to work or coming in for care to know very clearly and succinctly what they could do to stay safe and make sure that our facilities were safe as well. So it's the normal, right? It's masking, hand washing, maintaining social distance. But it wasn't that long ago where each of those things were quite foreign, and we all had to learn it and be reminded.
Is there anything in particular that you would want to highlight that might be very unique or creative to share?
Oh, I think what was most creative about it is just how the iconography and the how approachable it is. It doesn't matter. You don't need to read it. You can just look at a visualization and you'll know what you're being asked to do and reminded to do. And that has gone over very well across all of our facilities, and we're still using it today with slight adjustments. This campaign has been with us now for almost 18 months.
And it's got a little bit of attention.
It got a little bit of attention. It did. Modern Healthcare, which is a national industry publication, recognized North Memorial Health SAFER campaign for its efficacy and safety in our health system.
All right, and even though we are entering over a year since this all started, this continues as far as the policies and making sure everybody stays safe.
It does. The entrance of a vaccine helped us in controlling the spread of the virus, but at the same time, in our facilities, it's important that we all maintain these safe behaviors so that we can protect everyone, regardless of vaccination status.
All right. Samantha Hanson with North Memorial, thank you for being here today.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure.
Find more local news stories at ccxmedia.org and follow us on social media.